Meaning of deletion.
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 Deletion. Deletion refers to the act of removing or erasing something, such as information, data, or a file. The result of deletion is the permanent removal of the item from its original location, which means that it cannot be accessed or retrieved anymore. Deletion can be intentional or accidental and can occur in different contexts, such as in computer programming, social media, or personal files. It is important to note that once something is deleted, it may not necessarily be completely erased from a system and may still be recoverable through specialized software or techniques.